Hello, welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hi, we're happy you're here. Today, we're going to talk about something very important for learning English.
Yes, today's topic is don't be afraid of mistakes.
That's right. Many learners feel nervous when they make mistakes, but mistakes are a normal part of learning.
Absolutely. I remember when I first started speaking English, I made so many mistakes.
Me too. I used to feel shy speaking in front of others. I thought, oh no, I said it wrong.
But then I realized mistakes are actually helpful. They help us learn faster.
Exactly. Mistakes are like stepping stones. Every mistake teaches you something new.
Let's start with a simple example. Imagine you want to say, I go to the store.
Oh yes, that's a very common mistake. The correct sentence is, I went to the store.
See, a small mistake like this is normal and it's okay.
The important thing is that you tried to speak English. That's what matters most.
Here's another tip. When you make a mistake, notice it and try to correct it.
For example, if you say, she don't like coffee, you can think, I should say, doesn't like coffee.
Exactly. And don't feel embarrassed. Most people will help you kindly.
Let's practice some common mistakes together. Ready?
Ready. I eated breakfast this morning.
The correct sentence is, I ate breakfast this morning.
Another one, I can sings well.
The correct sentence is, I can sing well.
Perfect. Mistakes like these are normal. Don't worry.
Every mistake is a chance to learn something new.
Let's practice some more. I was go to the park yesterday.
Correct. I went to the park yesterday.
How about she don't knows the answer?
Correct. She doesn't know the answer.
See, these small mistakes are very common for beginners.
Yes, and practicing slowly helps you speak better.
Sometimes people feel afraid to speak because they worry about mistakes.
That's true, but the more you practice, the more confident you become.
Yes, even if you make mistakes, people usually understand you.
And every mistake helps you learn a new word, grammar rule, or pronunciation tip.
For example, when I was learning English, I said, I has a dog.
Oh, the correct sentence is, I have a dog.
Right. My friend corrected me and I remembered it forever.
That's why mistakes are good. They help us remember and improve.
Let's do a small dialogue now to practice speaking naturally.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Anna. I am learning English.
Hi, Anna. I am John. Don't worry about mistakes. You speak very well.
Thank you. I sometimes make mistakes, but I try my best.
That's perfect. Mistakes are normal. Keep practicing every day.
Can we practice a small conversation about daily life?
Yes.
What do you do every day?
I goes to work every day.
Almost correct. The right sentence is, I go to work every day.
Oh yes, thank you. I am learning.
Great. Keep trying. You are improving.
How about asking questions?
Sure. You can ask, what do you like to do in your free time?
Okay. What do you likes to do in your free time?
Almost correct. Remember, what do you like to do in your free time?
Got it. I like learning English every day.
Let me tell you a short story. Once, a student was afraid to speak English in class.
Why?
She thought she would make many mistakes and everyone would laugh.
Oh, I see. That's common.
Yes, but one day she spoke slowly and clearly. She made some mistakes, but the teacher praised her effort.
That's nice.
After that, she felt more confident. She realized that mistakes are not bad. They help her improve.
That's the lesson. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Now, let's repeat some important sentences slowly. Repeat after us. Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are normal.
Every mistake helps me learn.
Every mistake helps me learn.
I am confident even if I make a mistake.
I am confident even if I make a mistake.
Speaking English is fun.
Speaking English is fun.
I will practice every day.
I will practice every day.
I have went to the market yesterday.
The correct sentence is, I went to the market yesterday.
He don't like pizza.
Correct. He doesn't like pizza.
They was happy yesterday.
Correct. They were happy yesterday.
I am agree with you.
Correct. I agree with you.
See, these small mistakes are easy to correct with practice.
And practicing slowly helps you remember the correct sentences.
Remember, even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Yes, nobody is perfect. Mistakes are natural.
Don't be afraid. Speak slowly, think clearly, and enjoy learning English.
Every mistake is a stepping stone towards fluency.
Keep practicing every day.
And reward yourself for your effort, not just perfection.
Great job today. You practiced a lot.
Remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak slowly and clearly.
Keep learning every day, and you will improve step by step.
Thank you for listening to Everyday English Chats. We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
Don't forget to subscribe and practice English every day.
See you next time.
Bye.